after we finish white crane spread to swings, we're going to 3 brush knee and push. I'm going to turn my dantian to the left and parry. Turn my dantian to the right and parry. My right hand is coming up. My left hand comes down, sinking inside, turning for my dantian and extending through my spine. Brush knee and push number 1. I yield, coming forward, turning my dantian to the left. Left hand comes up, right hand sinks inside. Brush knee and push number 2. Feeling the bowing of the spine releasing through the hands. Number 3, I'm yielding. In Tai Chi, we practice yielding a lot, not to fight power on power. I'm turning my dantian to the right. My right hand comes up, inside, sinking inside. My left hand, brush knee and push. Number 3. In Tai Chi, we want to be aware of keeping our power with us and never overextending or crossing and pinching or going too far behind us. So the brush knee and push, it's very common for people to overextend. And then see, I'm pulling myself off my center a little bit. So keep everything with you. In freestyle martial arts, I often teach our students to bend their elbows and then feel like there's a wheel on their shoulders, and they just wheels backwards and the shoulders stay relaxed and down. So for me, if I look at Tai Chi, any of the postures we're doing, I want to have that feeling. I don't want to overextend.